Good evening, my good peoples, and welcome back to another story. Another story that has been hitting headlines in the political arena in the country as of today. So, the former regional police commander or the former regional police commander of the Rift Valley region, that is George Natembeya, who doubles up as the governor of Trans Nzoia County. We all know that Natembeya was nurtured into politics by former President of the Republic of Kenya, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. So Natembeya has gone, and Senator of Nandi Aaron Cherargei has gone head on head with George Natembeya, and he has given Natembeya a grace period to say sorry to President William Ruto and focus to matters of Trans Nzoia County and stop mobilizing the Mulembe Nation, or he will make him get impeached by the end of this year. We were waiting for Natembeya to beg, but being the commando he is, Natembeya has gone out in big and capital letters to tell Samson Cherargei that there is no way I'm going down to your master. And if you want to impeach me, bring it on. Come to Trans Nzoia County and come impeach me. He has warned Aaron Samson Cherargei against meddling in affairs of the Trans Nzoia County. He has issued a warning, a stern warning, that you guys stop interfering with my county. I am the best man Trans Nzoia County can produce, the best man Trans Nzoia County can have, because I have brought everybody in my government as of Trans Nzoia County is concerned. So George Natembeya, he has issued a stern warning, and he has told Samson Cherargei that you better stop interfering with my county and let me work, Bwana. You go and meddle in the affairs of Nandi County. So, Governor George Natembeya dared Nandi Senator Samson Cherargei to make good his threat of ensuring he get impeached by the end of the year. Natembeya argued that any impeachment motion against him will not see the light of the day. He also asked political leaders from outside Trans Nzoia County to respect him and stop meddling in county affairs. Trans Nzoia Governor George Natembeya has dared Nandi Senator Samson Cherargei to make good his threat of mobilizing members of County Assembly MCAs to impeach him. Cherargei warned that Natembeya would face impeachment before the end of the year. Speaking at Kitale School Ground during the graduation of 824 students from vocation and training centers, the county boss exuded the confidence that no impeachment motion against him would succeed. Such option is now available. Those who are plotting to remove me through impeachment should know very well that we have a cordial working relationship with my MCAs, Natembeya said. He also alleged that the impeachment process in the county has in the past been misused to punish leaders perceived to be against the government. The former Rift Valley Regional Commissioner expressed the need of the legislators to use the impeachment process for its intended purpose. Impeachment was put there for a reason, not to intimidate or to scare or to try to gang people. Don't use impeachment for fun, the county boss said. Concerning political challenges that has been facing in the recent month, Natembeya said they will help strengthen him and his resolve to unite the vote-rich Western region. He affirmed his commitment to continue speaking for the oppressed and voiceless. Despite the threat of impeachment, there is a big difference between the love of country and the love of the government. I speak the way I speak because I love my country. My love for this government is conditional, the governor said. He also dismissed claim that he is advising tribal politics, insisting that he has balanced cabinet compared to other governors in the Rift Valley region. Senator Cherargei has called for Natembeya's impeachment of accusation of tribalism, poor development record. He also claimed without providing any evidence that the governor was corrupt. However, Natembeya insisted that politicians outside Trans Nzoia County should stop meddling in their affairs. We ask that you respect us. Trans Nzoia County is our home and we know our problems and we are addressing them. Even if you succeed in impeaching me, do you think you will bring an outsider to lead us? Mr. Aaron Samson Cherargei, he said in an apparent response to the Nandi Senator. Led by hospital. So, previously, I reported that a section of Trans Nzoia MCAs came out to defend Natembeya over tribalism claims. led by Hospital One's Eric Wafula and his Matisse counterpart Obiendo Mwale, the MCAs laughed off talks of impeaching the governor. The two MCAs noted that anyone thinking of initiating an impeachment motion for Natembeya was daydreaming. So, Ruto is trying to still remain relevant in Western region. We all know that Western region is a vote-rich region. After Mount Kenya region, there comes Western region with people with very many votes. And Natembeya, he has been fighting tooth and nail to unite these people and not allow Mr. Wetangula and Mudavadi to use them as their bargaining power come 2027. And President William Ruto does not want this. So what does he do? He wants to impeach Natembeya and make Natembeya irrelevant, because Natembeya is there. There are rumors that Natembeya will be proposed by Jubilee Nation as he will be proposed as the running mate for presidency with Matiang'i come 2027. And Ruto does not want this realignment, because he know it will be a powerful realignment against him come the year 2027, as he wants to secure his presidency seat. So the president has used Samson Cherargei to initiate an impeachment motion for Natembeya. And Natembeya has dared them, come on, bring it on, come impeach me. I'm in Trans Nzoia County. So what do you think, guys? Leave a comment on the comment section. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is FM Show KE.